this is a campsite review of Site 133 at Meramec Valley Campground in Cuba, Missouri. So we were just here for the weekend. We did not set up a lot outside our camper, but this was a pretty decent site. We had plenty of space in front of the camper for like picnic area. Not great parking space for our giant truck, but we made it work. It does back up to the community fire pit, so there was a lot of grass and green space back behind. It does come with a fire pit, picnic table, and full hookups. You can see it is mostly gravel, but a little bit of grass. They are not level. I will just go ahead and say that straight off. Not level at all. So keep that in mind. Here is our fire pit area, which we didn't even use. But you can see we do back up to all of this green space, which is kind of nice. You are pretty close to the person next to you. I mean, here is our neighbors, so also something to keep in mind. Overall, we enjoyed this site. Again, we were just here for the weekend, but it worked for what we needed it to work for. So this is the restrooms and shower house off of the pool, which is also attached to the camp store. Pretty nice, pretty basic, nothing fancy, but they're clean.
Very clean.
Very clean. Big.
Yeah. There's showers and stalls. You can get through it two ways. The deck from the pool, which is over that way, the door for that, or you can go to the camp store, and you can get through it that way.
So this is like the lodge lounge area. Nice big fireplace.
Yeah, the lodge is always open, I'm pretty sure, but the store is not.
The store is closed, so right now it's 8:30 and they open at 10.
On
Sundays.
Oh.
Right. So now we're gonna go check out the teen center, and that's also where the snack bar is. And it looks like they're serving breakfast, so let's go see what we can see.
Yep.